What makes the best AC compressor repair in Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania, depends on the condition of your HVAC system, your budget, and your service expectations. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we strive to provide dependable HVAC solutions backed by quality workmanship and responsive customer service. Are you looking for a HVAC contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What causes an AC compressor to fail? Low or leaking refrigeration levels, dirty condenser coils, restricted airflow, electrical issues, overheating, lack of routine maintenance, and problems with the HVAC control system. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional AC compressor repair, along with comprehensive HVAC system repair to accurately diagnose the cause of compressor failure and restore reliable cooling performance. Can low refrigerant damage my AC compressor? Yes, low refrigeration levels can damage your AC compressor if the problem is not addressed promptly. At PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair, we provide professional AC compressor repair, along with expert air conditioning repair service and HVAC system repair to locate refrigerant leaks, restore proper refrigerant levels, and protect your compressor from further damage. What is your service area? Our PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair serve the following Pennsylvania locations: Springfield, Clifton Heights, Wyndom, Glenolden, Broomall, Angora, Sharon Hill, Elmwood Park, Holmes, Collingdale, Folcroft, Tinicum Township, Darby Township, Eastwick, Yeadon, Lansdowne, East Lansdowne, Millbourne, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 642 Harper Avenue, Drexel Hill, Pennsylvania 19026, United States. Our phone number is 610-672-3046. Visit our website, https://pjmachvac.com/drexel-hill-ac-heating-repair-install/.